Huge day for Trekkies and William Shatner, I guess. The Star Trek actor blasting off into space today in a Blue Origin rocket. Shatner is now the oldest person to reach outer space. But while Captain Kirk fulfilled his lifelong dream, the space stocks remain grounded. Big players like Rocket Lab, Astrospace, even Virgin Galactic all down over the past month. Grasso, you're in Virgin, so I'm wondering what you make of this action.
Yeah, I still think that it's the bigger picture is growth versus value, and these are seen as the ultimate growth stocks because when you watch the event today, you notice a handful of people that are in the actual vehicle that gets you into outer space. So you have to do the math. Is there real money to be made here? And eventually there will be. I'm still in Virgin Galactic, but this is the ultimate growth space, literally. So you have to sort of, hold it, put it in that, what does BK say, top draw? You have to put it in the top draw and see maybe what you're going to look like in 2 to 5 years. This stock, I bought at 15, traded up to 60. It's down around the mid-20s right now. I think it has tremendous upside. I'm still there.
Is it time to put it in your top drawer, Pete? Because you put it in your top drawer, it takes up space, and you can't put something else in your top drawer. Especially if you have to have it in your top drawer for that long.
Mel, I got to tell you, and this is totally the truth. Steve talked me into this stock, actually, and
Really?
I wasn't on the show that night. I happened to be watching, and he talked me into it. I've been there ever since. And part of the reason I like the stock, not only like it, I think I love it. I'm almost married to it like my wife. It's terrible. But here's why I like it so much. I can sell premium, and I know Boshuizen can understand this because he's a big option guy as well. So the override idea, Boshuizen, this is great because I can literally collect $2 a month, which obviously at the end of the year, that's $24, right? I can sell options $2 every month. I've done that since I bought it in June of 2020. And now I own the stock virtually for free because of all that collection of premium over time. So I love this stock. I'll continue to do this, and I just have to manage that throughout the time or whatever. But I do think eventually these stocks will start to take off literally again, and I think there's room. If it gets to 50 again, I'll still hold on to it.
Loopy might actually be watching. I don't know how she'll feel about that.
I know. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. That was a huge mistake.
Guy, when I heard William Shatner was going up in space, I thought of you because of your fast money moniker, not because he's the oldest guy in space, because of your fast money. You used to be known as the negotiator, which he was known as for some time as well.
Yeah, we've actually chatted about that from time to time. Listen, William Shatner, I happen to know he's a huge Fast Money fan, and I know he was all emotional today after the flight. Good for him. I thought there was a tremendous opportunity today for him to be a pitch person for Pfizer drug. I won't necessarily go down that road, but I think it was a lost opportunity. And if I want to get nauseous, I'll just watch like a Star Trek rerun or something like that. I don't need to go into space myself.